Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this dramatic silver smoky eye using mostly drugstore products. I did end up using some higher end brushes, but most of the products are all drugstore. So if you're interested to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start off with brows, and I'm going to apply my Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Pencil in the shade Black Brown. And then I'm also going to set that with the Profusion Day Face Makeup Palette. And I'm going to use the light medium brow powder shade. And I'm going to apply it using my Profusion Angled Eyebrow Brush, the EB1. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Voluminizer in the shade Deep Brown just to really make the brows look va-va-voom. Today I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand as my eyeshadow base. So because I'm going heavy on the eyes, I'm going to apply this shadow shield under the eyes to catch any fallout. With the ES2 Firm Blending Eyeshadow Brush from Profusion, I'm going to apply this shade After Dusk, and I'm going to blend that shade into the crease. Now I'm going to apply this dark brown shade Dark Side just under the shade that I applied into the crease. These eyeshadows are definitely not applying as well as I wish it did. It's looking very patchy and just overall not really blending the way I wish it would. But we're gonna keep going on with the look, and I'm gonna try my best to make it work. But so far, I definitely would not recommend this palette. So with the same brush, I'm going to tap in the shade Lights Off, the black, onto the outer portion of my eyelids and then blend that shade upwards. So the black eyeshadow isn't blending as well as I wish it would, so I'm going to use my ES4 Small Firm Eyeshadow Brush from Profusion and apply my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Black Bean, and I'm going to apply that to the outer portion of my upper lid, and I'm going to use this as a black base for the black eyeshadow to stick on. Next, I'm going to apply my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk 604. I'm going to apply that to the inner portion of my lid as a base for my silver eyeshadow. I'm really excited for this silver eyeshadow. I'm going to apply this shade Silver Storm. It's a really pretty silver metallic shade that I really hope does not do me wrong. And I'm going to be using my ES5 Flat Shader Eyeshadow Brush from Profusion to apply the silver shade. So that silver shade is so pretty. I'm going to go back in with my ES2 Firm Blending Eyeshadow Brush and just kind of blend out any harsh lines. So to add some extra glam, I want to go in with this glitter eyeshadow from e.l.f. This is in the shade Bling Bling, and I'm going to apply that where I applied my silver eyeshadow. I'm going to apply a winged liner using my NYX Matte Liquid Liner in the shade Black. Now I'm going to apply my L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. Time to apply some lashes. This is the Allure London Luxe Cashmere number 8 lash. And I'm going to use my House of Lashes lash adhesive to apply my lashes. I'm going to move on to my face makeup now. I cleaned up under the eyes using a toner and a cotton pad, and now I'm going to apply my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer all over my face to prime. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover in the shade Natural Beige 305, and I'm going to blend that in using my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge. Now I'm going to apply my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand and blend that in with my Sonia Kashuk Beauty Sponge. I'm going to apply blush, and this is from the BH Cosmetics Nude Blush 10 Color Blush Palette. And I'm gonna use these two lighter pink shades in the corner here. And with a large fluffy brush, I'm going to apply that to my cheeks. Next, I'm going to apply my NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Medium. And I'm just gonna use a large angled contour brush to apply this. So with the E53 Pointed Crease Eyeshadow Brush from Profusion, I'm going to apply the bronzer on my nose. Just add some dimension to the nose area. This bronzer is a lot more orange than I would like, but I just bought it today from Target for this video, so we're just gonna go with it. I'm going to take a little bit of this Make It Last setting powder from Milani in the shade Translucent Banana. And on a tapered blending brush, I'm going to lightly set under the eyes and around my face. To highlight, I'm going to use my Milani Strobe Light Instant Glow Powder in the shade Day Glow number 2. For my lips, I'm going to apply my NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Truffle. This is definitely one of my favorite lip pencils. And I'm going to then apply my matte lipstick from Maybelline in the shade Clay Crush 656. I want my eyes to pop, and when I wear black eyeliner under the eyes, they don't. So I'm going to use this white eyeliner instead. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. Once again, I'm gonna apply that to my waterline. Using my ES7 Flat Precise eyeshadow brush from Profusion, I'm going to apply the shades After Dusk, Dark Side, and Lights Off on the lower lash line area. I feel like this look wouldn't be complete without some inner corner highlight, so I applied some of my highlighter from Milani into the inner corners. And I think I'm going to hit just a little bit on the brow bone. I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes. To set my face, I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So here's the final look. This is my dramatic silver smoky eye using mostly drugstore products. I did add in some Morphe and BH Cosmetics, but I did find the BH Cosmetics product at Target, and then the Morphe products were from the drugstore section of Ulta. So hopefully this still counts as a drugstore makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. I hope to see you in the next one. Please also follow me on my other socials. I am at Padee Tina Kong. As always, have a beautiful Padeeful day. Bye!